Bobrisky denies defaming Falana, says VDM should be held responsible. In a recent development, controversial crossdresser Idris Okuneye, popularly known as Bobrisky, has vehemently denied allegations of defaming prominent human rights lawyer Femi Falana and his son, rapper Faz. The denial comes in response to a purported audio recording that surfaced last month. In this recording, a voice claimed to have given the Falanas 10 million naira to secure a presidential pardon for Bobrisky conviction earlier this year. However, Bobrisky has categorically rejected the authenticity of the voice in the recording. Taken to social media, he stated, "I, Okuneye Idris, popularly known as Bobrisky, did not give Faz or his dad any money for pardon. As a matter of fact, no penny was given to them." This statement follows a cease and desist letter issued by Falana and Falana's chambers on behalf of Femi Falana and Faz. The letter demanded a retraction and apology within 12 hours. In response, Bobrisky maintained his innocence on Instagram, asserting that he did not publish any defamatory statements. He further added, "The person that published an audio online should take full responsibility for what he posted in public." Bobrisky insists that anyone claiming defamation should pursue the publisher of the audio, not him. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. We'll keep you updated on any further developments on this story.